Well, I hope this comes out clear. Here is the hair right here that I'm pulling out of the roller where it's caught. Unfortunately, I am going to have to unscrew this whole panel to get the hair out. Well, it's kind of coming out, but as you can see, it obviously got caught. See, there it is. And it obviously got caught in the vacuum. I would not buy this vacuum cleaner again. I'm going to keep it because I don't want to ship it back. But I am disappointed in the whole thing with the hair getting caught in here because it said it wouldn't, and it does. So I'm hoping I'll be able to get all of it out. See, here's some more over here that just came out. And you can see it kind of lined up there. So I'm hoping I can get most of it out without having to unscrew the bottom of this. So anyway, that is clearly a problem because it does say that it will not catch hair. And it says that it will, it has some kind of special head for that. I kept it because I really needed to vacuum. My other one was totally broken. So anyway, but that's what happens when you buy it on Amazon. I love Amazon, don't get me wrong. But then when it comes, you either have to ship it back if they're not accurate and 100% truthful about the item, or you have to, pack it up and get it down to somebody to return it. And in the meantime, you're again without a vacuum cleaner. So anyway, there is an issue with it, with the hair thing. So thanks.